So currently I'm short on a Bitcoin long with 1000x leverage. And in this video, I'm going to show you why I opened the trade and what you should be doing when you're trading with 1000x leverage or less. So what we've got at the current market, so it's a good indication to look, we're on a downtrend. And the reason we're on a downtrend, I can't tell you at the moment, but the reason I opened the short is when it's a short, this is the most important part, when the market is down, you want to short the pumps. So regardless of what is happening or whether you want to long or short, this should give you a good indication. So if the market is on a downtrend, when there's a big pump, short it. You can see here, this would have been a good short. This is a pump, this is a short, this is a pump, this is a short. These are the things you want to be doing. And as you can see, we're up 50%. So that's not, it's a $50 short. But again, that's profit in the bag if we take it. So I think that's going to break down even more, maybe around this range, we could take it. And I'm going to have a look at the long short ratios. So this gives us an indication, 5-minute indication, that most people are long. So surprisingly, it could actually pump up. So I'm going to take this position now as profit. Hopefully it gets me out. The only thing with pancakeswap when you're using it, it's a bit delayed. But this is 100% profit in about, well, a minute, which will be $50, something like that. And that's what I've been doing pretty much every single day. So if the market was doing well, it was on an uptrend. Yesterday was on an uptrend. I was longing every dump and I made $4,000. So today, and I always start with $100, which is, I don't know, 0.2 or something like that. So we're nearly doubled our money. This is the first trade of today. So fingers crossed we can keep it going. I should have left that a bit longer. That's done exactly what I predicted. And again, most people would be tempted to long this position, but I wouldn't, not in a downtrend. Unless you want to wait and see, this is kind of sideways, you can see from here. And I trade off of the resistance. I don't go all the way back here and look, oh, there's a floor here. You know, there's people do that. They say use the 15-minute chart. Sure, if you're longing for 3-4 days, but if you're just trading these high risk, super high risk, this is the highest risk trading you can possibly do. Most people would say, oh, I want to long it here. It could work out, but also equally it could dump really drastically because we are in a downtrend. This is a 1-minute chart with 1000x leverage. We are looking for small time frames, maybe an hour, 2 hours, if that, using as support. So I don't want to trade this at the moment. I just saw that as an opportunity. We could see it break out. Again, I will short it because we're on a downtrend. If there is a reversal in trend, you have to wait, watch it and see. So I hope you've taken something away from this video and I've given you some indication of what to do. Hopefully you can get better at trading like me. All the best and take care.